Don't you just wanna wake up dark as a lake, smelling like a bonfire? Hi, so let's get started with the introduction. Here's the first chart, and you'll have the G minor composed of the D, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of G. Then, the F major with an A bass composed of the C, the F, and the A, and with the bass note of A. And you'll also have the standard F major chord with an F bass. Next, you'll have the A sharp major composed of the C, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. Then, the D sharp major composed of the D sharp, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of D sharp. And eventually, the D major composed of the D, the F sharp, and the A, and the bass note of D. And here's how you're gonna play these chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you'll be able to move on to the verse with that same chart. It can be said I'm an early bird. It's 10 o'clock before I say a word. Baby, I can never tell. How do you sleep so well? You keep telling me to. And now you'll have a new chart, almost identical. Let's continue. You keep telling me to leave right, to go to bed before the daylight. But then you wake up for the sunrise. You know you don't gotta pretend, baby, now and then. Don't you just wanna? And now you reach the pre-chorus, so for the verse, you play chart 1 and then chart 2, and you played them once. And for the pre-chorus, you'll play chart 1. Don't you just wanna wake up dark as a lake, smelling like a bonfire, lost in a haze? If you're drunk on life, babe, I think it's great. But while in this world, I think I'll take my whiskey. And for the chorus, you will start by playing chart number 2 and then move on to chart number 1. I think I'll take my whiskey neat, my coffee black and my bed at 3. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me. I'll take my whiskey. Chart 1. Whiskey neat, my coffee black and my bed at 3. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me. And after that, you will reach an interlude that you'll play with chart number 2. So let's recap. For the introduction, chart number 1, verse chart 1 and then chart 2, pre-chorus chart 1, chorus chart 2, then chart 1, and interlude chart 2. And if you pay attention, you can actually notice that you have been alternating between these two charts, playing each one once in turn, and that's how you'll be able to play this entire song. So I suggest that you give it a try. Good luck to you all, and I will see you in the next one.